Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this Huhho screen endoscope. So let me just open the box for you. I store it in this box because I haven't got anywhere else to store it at the moment. I am planning to get like a carry bag for my diagnostic stuff, but that'll be in the future. Also in the box you get a few little accessories and an instruction manual, but no one really cares about that. Out the way that goes. Right, so here's the endoscope itself. You can see it's quite a reasonable size. Let me turn it on quickly for you. You can see it fires up quite quickly. There you are. Now, how long was that? A few seconds, and now it's flying. As you can see, there's the ceiling. If you actually see that on the screen, you might not be able to get the brightness. So let me tell you a few features of this. It comes with a 6.5 foot semi-flexible cable that you can flex in any position you want. So as you can see, like that, or like that. Really bendable, really perfect for like when you're trying to snake it through and get into nooks and crannies. So that's nice. It's got a nice screen, as I've already mentioned. What else is there I can tell you about it? It records in various different things. You can also take photos as well as videos with it, so that's quite useful. It takes a micro SD card. Let me just pop that out quickly. Sometimes they're a bit tough because they're recessed in. I'll get that in just a second. Bear with me just a second while I do that. So I use the SD card here because it's just the easiest option. And it'll just give you a little prompt saying you've got an SD card, but as you can see, it's just one of these micro SDs. That's a 2 gig one in there. Seems to have quite a lot of footage room, so it doesn't really eat up the data that much, which is quite good. What else? What was I going to say? Oh yes, it's got a rechargeable battery in it, so it takes a micro USB. It takes a couple of hours to charge. Gives you plenty of run time. About an hour and a half, depending on how bright you've got the light setting on the end. And obviously this has got an adjustable setting, so if I go down, it goes down, and if it goes up, it will go up. Let me just focus on something about it. You see, it gets brighter. Overall, a really useful little tool. So just thought I'd give you a quick close-up of the actual footage that the endoscope can produce. So this is a sensor, as you can see. You can get right in there, and let me maybe just turn the brightness down a bit just to make it a bit nicer. There we are, and as you can see, you can get right in there and all the little threads and inside the connectors and my dirty fingernails. But yeah, just thought I'd show you this. And my final thoughts on it are, I really enjoy using it. It's a great little tool. Really helped me out the other day when I was trying to get a bolt that I dropped down the back of an engine. So I'd use this in combination with a magnet to see where it was. And overall, a great little tool. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.